Do you find yourself wondering about the recent developments concerning Paytm FASTAG? The National Highway Authority of India (NHAI) and the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) have made some crucial decisions that impact its operation. You are required to deactivate your Paytm FASTAG and seek a refund before the deadline of the 15th of March. FASTAG, the electronic toll collection system, has significantly simplified toll payments across India. However, these recent changes have affected the operations of Paytm FASTags, leading to potential disruptions in the smooth toll collection process. It's critical for users linked to the Paytm Payments Bank to deactivate their FASTags before the deadline. Make sure to use up any remaining balance on your Paytm FASTag by the 15th of March. Additionally, it's advised to apply for a new FASTag from authorized banks or NHAI to continue enjoying the convenience of this payment method. If for some reason you are unable to get a new FASTag before the deadline, you should reach out to Paytm for a refund. Remember, deactivating your old FASTag is crucial, especially given the one vehicle, one FASTag policy. To ensure uninterrupted toll payments, consider getting a FASTag from one of the 32 listed banks or directly from NHAI. However, keep in mind that the RBI's directive affects only the Paytm Payments Bank and not other services provided by Paytm. If you have linked your Paytm account to authorized banks, you can continue using the wallet and UPI services without any interruptions. While you can still withdraw money from your Paytm FASTag, deposits into the Paytm Payments Bank account are currently restricted. To sum it up, the recent directives from NHI and RBI have significant implications for Paytm FASTag users. It's important to take proactive steps to deactivate the FASTag, claim a refund, and secure an alternate FASTag from authorized banks or NHAI. Stay informed about further developments and make the necessary transitions to ensure seamless toll payments. Remember to act before the deadline and protect your travel convenience.